Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is C. So today we are going to be starting a food saving series where I show you different ways to save money on things that you typically buy from the grocery store and make it homemade. So today we are starting with a homemade coffee creamer. So let's get into it. But before we start, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification so you're notified every time I drop a video, and let's get into it. Let's go. So let's get into these ingredients. Now your ingredient list can be very minimal depending on the flavor of coffee creamer that you want to make. I'm gonna make a vanilla coffee creamer with stuff that I had in my house. Let's get into it. Mason jar. This is where we're going to store our coffee creamer. I have some whole milk. You can use any milk that you would like. If you want to make a oatmeal. If you want to make a oat milk creamer or an almond milk creamer or any nut-based creamer, you absolutely can. I'm just going to be using whole milk. I have some sweetened condensed milk. I also have some half and half. You can also make this with heavy cream. I have vanilla, of course, and then some salt just to balance off some of the sweetness. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So first things first, we're going to be taking our sweetened condensed milk. Then we're gonna take our whole milk, and then I think I have like 1/4 of heavy cream left. I mean half and half left. That wasn't even 1/4. That probably was like 2 teaspoons. Then we're gonna take our vanilla, and then I'm just gonna take a pinch of some salt, just to balance out the sweetness. I'm debating if I want to add a little cinnamon to this. We'll mix everything and then we'll decide. So I'm gonna take a whisk. You can also use a really sturdy silicone spatula. Mine is in a dishwasher, so I'm just gonna use my handy dandy whisk and combine everything with the milk. Now I know heavy cream would probably make this a lot richer, thicker, but I feel like whole milk or half and half resembles like the texture of coffee creamer that I usually get from the grocery store. You just wanna make sure you get in all of that incorporated. That's some good coffee creamer. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. That is some good coffee creamer. That's good. Okay, I'm gonna be extra. I'm gonna add a little bit of cinnamon. Just gonna add your lid, and then all I'm just gonna do is take a little Scotch tape. What's today? Mark it with the date so you know when you made it. Store it in the refrigerator and use as needed. I'm about to go brew me some espresso, make me a little morning coffee, and I will show you guys the results in a little bit. Be right back. So I'm gonna take a little bit of caramel. I'm just going to begin to drizzle the sides of my cup. I'm pretty much almost done with my caramel. Hershey's, what's poppin', Bookie? Just kidding. No, I'm not. Hershey's, what's poppin'? Look at that. Okay, now we're just gonna add our ice. You can use crushed ice, you can use pebble ice, whatever ice you have. I use mine from the filter over there. I usually add a little milk. I'm gonna add a little milk. I usually make a latte. I'm gonna add a little bit of milk in here. Just gonna take our freshly brewed espresso. Then we're gonna take our homemade creamer, give it a little whoosh. All right, that should be enough. And of course, you don't have to use as much creamer as I do. Got my straw. Girl, that is good. That is so good. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be hard to not drink it all in one gulp, y'all. That is delicious. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I did that. That's good. Anywho, I hope you try this recipe. If you do, please be sure to leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in my next video.